Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nkoya, aka Ndi Naija. Ja. You guys, it's Happy Meal time. I got a large box from my favorite OhSoPaper, and I would like to show you guys what's in it. So I'm gonna snip up the package, and I'll be right back. Alrighty, the reason why... Oh, I'm sorry. Ignore what I just said. All right. These are the stickers that I purchased. This is the freebie of the month, and I bought another copy, and then a couple of stickers. Love, Rosalie. I got 2 copies of her. I think that was a mistake. I meant to get the other girl. And then we have Neva. Did I purchase this? Or was this a freebie? I do not know. I don't remember. But this is Valentine's Day, for Valentine's Day. And now what I was trying to say previously is the reason why the box was so big is because... a boom. Danielle has given us a desk calendar. And this is a sample of what you're using the desk calendar might look like. Excuse me. Okay. So here's what the calendar looks like. This is how, if you were all, planned out, how it would be. And now, I'm in love with this thing. Can you tell? First of all, it's a custom calendar. I believe you can choose whether it's a Sunday or Monday start. I naturally chose the Monday start. And you have the dolls on the side of the calendar corresponding with your monthly calendar, if you already got that. And I believe we got these in one of the previous subscription boxes. So mine's a Monday start. We have very faint gray lines inside each of the boxes, as you can see. I'm so excited. And here is where you do your customization. So you can either write a phrase, write a quote, or do write a name, whatever it is you want to write. Maybe it's a primary thing you want to focus on for that month, your word for the month if you've already decided ahead of time for all the months of the year. I decided to put scriptures down. And I believe in all of them I put the verse and the reference that it came from. Ooh. This paper is off-white. I love that the paper is off-white. It's not the bright bluish white paper, so it's nice to look at. You have that to-do list at the top. So for January, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4:13. For February, ooh, gorgeous. February, I have my verse of the year, which is 1 Samuel 30, verse 8. For March, we have Psalm 23, verse 4a. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of darkness, I shall fear no evil. I had to play around with this, with the scriptures, to get something that would fit. So I couldn't do the King James over there. Look at her. The colors are so vibrant. So vibrant. April, the Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. Okay. May, no weapon formed against you shall prosper. And she's wearing a lovely green outfit. So, as you can see, it's colorful enough without being overwhelming. And even if you don't want to add any extra stickers or color to the page, you can very well use it. I didn't tell you the number of lines that is in each box for the month. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 boxes for each month. And as you can see, another thing I forgot to mention, it is undated. I like the fact that it's undated because you can put your date either on the left side or on the right side. In the example here, she put the dates on the right side. So that's that one. That's May. This is what June looks like. Flying a kite. The scripture I chose was Psalm 91, verse 10. Man, the paper is thick. And July. Oh, look at the braids. Vacation. When can we do that again? The scripture I chose was Psalm 121, verse 3. It's got your see OhSoPaper at the bottom. Ooh, the color purple for August. And there's a book, maybe a kind of a reference to folks going back to school. Love it. I put 1 Peter 5, verse 7 for my top there. September ice cream. This is me, y'all. This is me. This is like Commit your ways unto the Lord, your plans will succeed. Proverbs 16, verse 3. And October, I like the subtle, not too serious of a pumpkin. You can cover this if you would like, but we're getting into fall. And I was unable to put the scripture here because it just didn't work. But this is Psalm 121. I'm sorry. Is it Psalm 121? I forget. He makes my feet like hinds' feet. That one. And for November, ooh, I like this. I like this. So she appears to be baking. I chose a scripture in Psalm 34. And December. Oh, look at it, look at it, look at it. And yes, welcoming Christ from Isaiah 9, verse 6. And that's it. It doesn't appear that there are no stickers at the back. Like I said, it's undated. You got a to-do list on the right. It's simple. And it's a nice, large desk calendar. And this is a sample of how one could use it. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. All right, that's it, y'all. If you have any questions, leave me a comment down below. And you can go and subscribe to Danielle. Everyone who subscribes, if you have a monthly subscription, monthly, yearly, whatever subscription you have, you get a 20% off coupon every single month to use in the store. So, yeah. All right, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.